Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing the Nike SB Dunk Low Premium Orange, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The Nike SB Dunk Low Noise Aqua is a brand new Dunk Low colorway from Nike SB that will be arriving during fall 2023. A full suede upper and colorful hues highlight this new colorway of the Nike SB Dunk Low. Covered in a nappy suede construction all over the upper, this eye-catching Nike SB Dunk Low takes on an official color makeup of Orange Noise Aqua Emerald Rise Lemon Chiffon as a teal hue is seen on the toes, side panels, and ankles. Blue Nike checks, orange overlays, blue Nike SB branding on the tongues, and a full lemon rubber sole unit with subtle speckling finish off the look on this Nike SB Dunk Low. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, retailing for $110. Look for these to drop on August 25th at select skate shops and Nike.com, SNKRs. For a complete guide including official photos, release dates, pricing, and where to buy, visit Nike SB Dunk Low Noise Aqua. In Jordan brand news, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Royal Reimagined will be making its debut in November. Update, 8/11ths. For those of you patiently waiting on this drop, Nike has announced that the Nike SB Dunk Low Noise Aqua will be releasing on August 25th at select skate shops and Nike.com, SNKRs, for the retail price of $110. Images via Yankee Kicks. Update, 6/16. Here are on-feed images of the Nike SB Dunk Low Noise Aqua. Retailing for $110, look for these to drop in the coming months at select skate shops and Nike.com, SNKRS. Images via Yankee Kicks. Dressed in an orange, noise aqua, emerald rise, and lemon chiffon color scheme. This offering of the Nike SB Dunk Low comes constructed in a full suede build with mesh tongues and lining. Signature Nike SB branding atop a lemon speckled rubber sole completes the design. Nike adds to its SB Dunk Low lineup this year with a fall-ready colorway set to arrive later this year. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.